Yo, what is good, guys? What's happening? Another day, beautiful day in Toronto. I'm with Matthew right now. What's good, fam?
Good, fam.
Yeah, bro. So today, you already know what's happening today.
Trading the floor, an A73 for a DS one.
Now we're at Henry's.
These are floor model. You didn't tell me the SD cards were 500 bucks.
While Matthew does that, I seen this beautiful car in the plaza. Everybody knows this car. Honda S2000. This looks mint. Stock. I think these are stock wheels. Beautiful rubber Pilot Sport 4s. This is an absolute beauty. Is it manual? Yup, it's manual for sure. So if you don't know about this car is a crazy rev limiter. I think it revs out to 9,000 RPMs. Man, if you tune this thing, it'll be crazy fun. Whoa, oh my God.
See the damage though. What's the damage saying?
Bare damage.
47, 99, 99. Real damage
is the SD card.
SD card, real shit.
Did you actually get it?
Yeah, I bought it. Oh, it comes with a leather strap. Whoa, it looks so clean.
Oh my God.
Later that same evening.
Yo, so we just did a car wash on the car right now. Looking clean. We're gonna prep it for tomorrow. We're gonna do the star roof liner. We're just at Easy Lube, just getting our oil change done. We're trying to prepare it for the stage 2 tune. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting 5W40 into the engine. So we're just pumping out the oil out of the oil filter housing. So right now we're just changing the coolant. We checked out the inner cap. It's a little gunky. So yeah, we're gonna fix that right now.
The next day.
Yo, what is going on, Cody? Another day, man. How are you? What you saying, bro? Bang Bucks, what you saying? Mr. A73, Denzel CS, what's good? What's good, what's good? We're back, guys. So today we're gonna be installing the sequential mirror indicators. Yeah, so for the install, you're gonna need some trim tools, some piece they use to apply wrap. You need one of these for the mirrors. You need some tweezers. And then you need, what is this? I think an Allen key? Yeah, you need a T10. So this is how the stock one looks like. It's open like this because we just wanted to just see how it'll be like, right? Just test it out. Yeah, we honestly messed up a couple times. Yeah, one of the pins weren't straight and it kind of delayed us. Sorry guys, we got a little interrupted. Yeah, we've been having a crazy busy week. Just remember, if you're enjoying the content, please drop a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and continue with the installment right now. So basically, we got they're like Audi style smoked sequential lights. I'm already taking this one apart. Like, I'm just trying to get through this mod fairly quick. I'm trying to get into the Rolls-Royce roof liner ASAP. Like, that's gonna be so much fun to do. You guys already know how this one looks like. This is cheesing me, yo. All right, so I already made a TikTok about this on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me, Ice by Denny, on all platforms, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. You want to move the mirrors up. You want to move the mirror all the way up. Then you want to gently just release it around here. Move it back all the way down. And you want to just gently ply around the corners. Then it'll pop out. So this one's already complete. Once you ply it out, the mirror will come like this. You want to be careful, there's wires. You can just let it hang. Just be careful with your paint. Next, there's going to be bolts. There's gonna be 5 bolts actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you wanna pinch these 3 tabs, and then it lets out the mirror cap. Carbon fiber one's coming soon. There's gonna be a next screw over here. That's gonna release the bottom trim of the mirror. Pull out this wire, pull out this cord to release this. Yeah, so that looks really, really good. It's got Neo in the cut. What's good, man?
Good, fam.
Staying icy, got a rope chains on. Oh, what's good? We got the princess in the house. What's happening? How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
What are you working on? A little bit of Pizza Land?
Yeah, doing updated hours for Ramadan.
Fire, that looks really good. But yeah, guys, right now we're gonna do an unboxing. So we got a lot of stuff in the mail that came in. We got the Rolls-Royce style star roof liner that we're gonna install on the F30. It's gonna be crazy.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, we're back. We just finished the Rolls-Royce interior mod. Remo, how's it looking, bro?
Oh shit, looking galactic.
Looking like space in here, bro. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm sorry for not being consistent. This vlog is gonna be mixed with a couple of days. Food. It's looking lit in there, fam.
We're in a Phantom, boys.
We're in a Phantom.
We're living the dream right now.
Alright, Remo. So how long did it take us, fam?
Approximately 3 days, 2 days.
Approximately 2 days.
Express.
Dude, bought the fiber optics off Amazon. Then we bought a glue gun. What else? And then we had an adapter. So I'm gonna show you guys how we hooked up the lights to the trunk, to the battery. Basically, it was pretty hard. I'm not even gonna lie with you. You have to remove this whole roof. You gotta remove some clips over here. You want some pliers. You want to just pull out a piece in here. The pliers again to squeeze 2 parts. Then these will just come out. This piece back here, the brake light, you just have to rip this out, unplug it, easy. Same thing with this, pry this open. Same thing with this. So when you open this right here, I think it's like a T10, T12. Same thing with this, you just rip this off. Couple wires in there. With this back piece right here, you kind of have to slide it. So you pull it and then slide it out. You also got to remove these right here, like the rubber parts here. The wires are routed in here, so this was fairly easy to pull out. You literally just got to pull it out. This will come out. You can kind of see the wires where the seatbelt goes through. So I wanted to have an OEM look. So if you feel the top of the roof liner, you're not gonna feel anything, any of the fiber optics. Nice and smooth. Shout out my guy Remo. Get into the trunk. We routed it to the battery. Everything is behind this wall right here. Then we use a splitter to connect the positive and the negatives to the battery. And then it turns into a 12-volt cigarette lighter that we use with a remote. Now we have a Rolls Royce in our Beamer. You don't have to spend $500,000 to have lights in your car. Shout out Pizza Land. What's going on, guys? Another day. Right now we're just gonna shoot at Pizza Land, one of our clients over at Mississauga. Yo, so we're on the restaurant right now. We're just setting up for the shoot. Aaron sees his cold beverage sign. Shout out to Aaron. Looks absolutely amazing. We got the cold beverages in the back, the font, the logo. Looks really good. Boom, boom. Welcome back. Little unboxing with Matthew today. What's good, brother? We got Denzel on the cut. DJI Mini 2 3S. Are you guys excited? Look at this guy. This guy looks like some candy, fam.
I've had that one before.
This guy say Christmas.
Oh, I kind of like the other case. It's fresh.
We also got a new transmitter for the flash. Some money. Woo!
Yo, it looks like a fucking gun when you open it. Like, it's good.
It looks so good. Yo, what's good? It's a couple hours later. We just pulled up. So right now it's Tyrone, Mr. Soul Clean versus Neo AMG Manager. who you guys got, yo?
Bruh.
Oh my god. Double.
Watch your foot. Travel. That's travel rep. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
Yo, you can't allow that.
Yeah.
Easy. Oh, travel. What the fuck?
And one.
Ooh. Gritty.
It's there.
Yo, you need the jersey, fam.
You gotta put one of those.
God.
You gotta put one of those Coach Carter.
Oh, hand down, man down. This guy's cheese.
Jersey, bro. Yes, sir.
Yo, say no.
Da 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 da. Woo!
It's just because I ate alcohol.
Jim, Neo.
Yes, sir.
Get the fuck.
Yes, sir.
Ah, that's a foul.
What?
Right now, bro.
Kuzma.
Oh!
Move, finish.
Let's get this. Count it up.
Yo, that at 16.
I wasn't even ready.
Oh, that was a double check. I got it on film, dog.
You allowed that?
You boxed the chicken
You
on the
allowed
rocks
that?
before he came here.
You know what Neo ate?
Yeah, what do you eat, fam?
Fucking Chips Ahoy and chips. Who you rooting for?
Neo.
What's on the line, fam?
What's on the line? We got $200 on Neo and $100 against Soul.
I got it. Get up.
Yo, you can do it, fam. Trust. Don't let these guys clown you, fam. Let's go.
That's good, bro.
Fam.
That's a 1.
Oh, that's
Oh.
11-7. Another one. Keep it coming though.
What is he doing good? What is he doing good?
He has the correct idea, but the execution is just not there, bro. That's what he has.
Yo.
The correct idea. Like the vision is there, you know what I mean?
He needs Grammarly, fam.
Grammarly. Fam, you have a momentum right now, so you should keep going.
Okay, I got it.
Ooh! Oh!
He doesn't have it, bro. He doesn't have closer, fourth quarter.
Oh! 6! Oh! Alright, where are you gonna take your talents next?
I'm gonna stay in Brooklyn, to be honest. You know.
Alright, bro. How was it, fam? Give me analysis, bro.
Yo, handled shit. It is what it is, bro. I called it from last week.
How did it feel, bro? Tyrone,
What can I say? Winners win.
Drop
Big
the
time
mic,
players.
drop the mic.
Big time players, big time players. I'm out.
Take the spotlight.
I feel like throwing.
What the? No way. At least do it like somewhere there's no light, bro. Like,